Hello. Let's just get started.
Hey, everyone. What's up?
Hurry up.
What's up, everyone? What's up? I
Oh,
already said that. You shut up.
wait, let me pause for a second. I need to put my volume higher. I'm back.
We're gonna be watching my channel on a refrigerator. Let's go.
I am dead inside.
I am going to react to my channel.
I sound so young.
So it's called. I already said that. Today in this video, I'm gonna react.
Shut up, everyone.
My channel on a refrigerator. Yes.
You shut up.
Video. Pause. Today in this video, I'm gonna be reacting to watching my channel on a refrigerator. 4 times. It was supposed to be 3. I accidentally said 4. Now, today in this video, I'm gonna be reacting to watching my channel on a refrigerator.
Shut up, everyone. Wow, this is an amazing video. Wow. Wow, never knew that could have ever existed. I could barely even hear anything.
Wow, this is Ali's phone.
Everyone has to shut up. Shut up, everyone. I'm gonna pause everyone here. What I was doing here was making cupcakes, and I want everyone to shut up, or else I'll mute everyone.
Chaotic, not complicated. So yeah. Yes, it's gonna be like whatever I just said. Contact.
I'm not gonna do that.
In this video,
I said that.
watching my YouTube channel on a refrigerator. I was
Hurry up.
Get to the point already. And you watching that video, I was making cupcakes.
I'm just gonna keep doing this until the video quality becomes deep fried.
They speak Spanish, by the way.
Wow, I have 70 subs, and in the very start was, let me see.
This is very cool.
Oh, no, wrong.
No, I do not want to watch Glitch.
I only had 69 subs, then I had 69, then I had 68, then I had 70.
No, you shut up. Shroom or shut up. No, when I put I'll play Fisher Place, you look like a bee. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, you're not doing anything.
Of course he's not doing anything.
This guy, Shroom was, I was trying to make a video, idiot versus singular cat, but it was still loading and existing. Well, that was it. I do not want to watch Pet Simulator 99 or X, I don't know. But anyways, bye everyone. It was actually 99. Yep, that's it. And I do not want to watch It's Time for the. So anyways, goodbye. And
Okay.
Gangnam Style. Just wrong video. And that's it. And I do not want to watch trolling Tunis players in Danny's world. So I say Wopang Gangnam Style. What was I gonna? Oh yeah. Whoever unsubscribed, wow, please subscribe back. Wopang Gangnam. Let me make a cool outro. Wopang Gangnam.
Well, that was it. And no, I do not want to watch Teapot 19. Bye.